guys, welcome back. I am attempting, I don't have a template, so I guess the new thing for this year for December dailies is this door. I'm on the December daily with Allie Edwards Facebook group, and I took a Photoshop of one gal's door just to get an idea, you know, just to get an idea. I guess she's going to put her family's names and their ages behind it or whatever, and maybe a picture of them. So so if you want to see this, go over to December Daily Facebook group with Allie Edwards, and you'll see a bunch of them. There's a bunch of them that are all posted. This lady actually gave her, I guess her name is Sarah Davis, I believe. And she gave measurements of that door on her post. Right there. So I wrote them down and I said, oh, I want to make one. So the other picture that I saw was, it looked like it was raised up. So I cut two pieces, the measurements that she used, which is this. I've got two pieces. And then I cut out the pieces that are going to be on the door. Hold on. Sorry about that. Husband had to tell me he was going outside. So I've cut pieces that match this. So what I'm going to do is cut these out a little bit bigger than what's here, because the picture, I don't have a picture of it, but it looks like it's, you glue this on top of here. You could probably use glue dots or whatever to make it stick up a little bit, you know, to make it pop out. Make these holes a little bit bigger, and then place these on a foam so they pop out. So it's three-dimensional. And place that in the hole so it looks like a cute little door. And I'm gonna make, I don't know if I'll make it or I might have one. I got my Christmas stuff out, guys. I don't know if I have one in here. No. I've got this little box that I put card things on, you know, hard pieces. I've got a teddy bear and toys, Christmas toys, and a bell and stuff. I thought I had a wreath in here, but I don't. And but I can make one. I'll make a little wreath to put on the door, to hang on the door, like make a little hook so it hangs. And then I have these. There's gold, and then there's this color, and I'm thinking about using this color to make the knob, the little knob. And I think these might be too small for what I want to do. They're possibly too small. Yeah, that's not going to work. It needs to be a little bit bigger. Let's see. Yeah, it probably needs to be about this big. So let me draw it on here so I can show you. I just used the cap, the bottom of the cap for my X-Acto. So make a handle or a brad or something about that big to put for the handle, and then make a extra or mount it on something to go on the inside of the book, you know, on I thought it would be cute for a first page. Like either put it inside here, or, you know, make another piece to put so it's an extra thing. So that's what I'm thinking. It seems to be a thing this year from what I've seen on Allie Edwards stuff. I have not seen her kit that she has this year. I don't know what it looks like. I don't know. But I guess there's a door in it. Either this year's or last year's. But everybody seems to be doing one. So I'm like, ooh, well, I want to do one. But I didn't buy the kit. I don't usually buy kits for Christmas. I use up what I have. And then if I have a specific thing that I want to make, then I will look for those items. Like this year, it's kind of, I'm a year behind, I guess. I want to do like a farmhouse looking, you know, the black and the white. And this cardboard is kind of hard to cut. And plus I have long nails on, which makes crafting hard. I can do it. So you cut it out. And you I can do that well. So you paint what you want. I don't know if I'll paint it white or red. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know what will paint it. But you do it a little bit bigger, so when you place it on here, now remember this is going to be like 3D, so this pops out. So I'm cutting the square out so I can actually glue these two together so it doubles up. Put it on a pop dart or piece of foam and have that on there so it sticks up. See how it sticks up? I just got to cut the hole a little bit bigger. So that's the start of it. So I will be back once I get this part all done. Okay. Here is, see, I propped it up, and the pieces that I cut out here, I propped up, and I saved one so I could show you. I'm hot gluing the little dots. Even though they're sticky, they're not real sticky. So just so it glues on there. So there's the start of my door. I'm not sure I like it white because you see all the edges and everything. I don't know. I may end up going back in and painting it red. I don't know. And then my little doorknob, I'm not going to put it on yet in case I paint this again. I have, since it's a Christmas thing, I have these little, they're brads. I have these, and I have these colored ones, the designed ones. So it would be cute if this was stayed white. I think I'm going to have to paint it all again. Maybe it'll look better. But I have this red swirl that I could put right there, and that would look cute, I think. But I have these ones too. I have the striped, and I have some polka dots. But I think I might go with the red one. I only got one of those. So I could use one of these, but I don't know. We'll have to see. I want to just show you what I did so far, and when I figure out, and I use these pop, you can use any pop dot things. These are squares. So I think if I repaint this whole thing, it might look better. I don't know. I'm not real happy with the white. I don't know. We'll see. And then I can put a little hook right here and I can make a wreath. Picture the wreath on here. And then the doorknob. And then I can figure out how I'm going to put it in the book. So, I will be back after I paint it and put the knob on to show you. I'll be back. Okay, guys. So, here's the end. It looks cute. My cutting needs some work because it's not straight, but it's so cute. I just put some red ribbon and a little glass thing there. I think if I dress it up, I'd add some red, like little berry things or something. I don't know. Hands made a mess of all this, but there's the end. So now I'll just put it with the other Christmas stuff for this year's book and figure out how I'm gonna add it in. So there's our first little project this year. So I hope you liked it. I did add the brad. I cut up the brads off. There's some glue right there. This is a messy one. I don't know. If I didn't have nails on, probably would have worked better, but I'm gonna either paint that around or paint some red around. I don't know. We'll just leave it like that. But that's my first little to do for 2020 for December daily. Thanks for watching.